Hey, what's up guys? On this one I want to show you guys how you can deposit some funds onto Binance using P2P. So you can actually deposit them and you can actually withdraw them using the P2P system, because it's not allowed for now because it's still suspended. You can't actually buy using your bank, or you can just transfer from your bank to Binance so that you can actually have your funds into Binance like that. But in this way, which I'm actually going to read from Binance, as you can actually see here, because I am a subscription onto their emailing system, so they actually send me the stuff like this. So as a South African, you can actually look into this one as here, a step-by-step guide to buying crypto with ZAR, right? So I'm actually just going to read this guys so that you can actually see it here. So but via P2P now. So hello Binance Yens of SA. Although the local banking channels option is still suspended in South Africa, we have a number of alternatives for you to use. Did you know that you can use Binance P2P to get your ZAR on and off Binance, right? So the first step you can actually do when you do this, you will actually go to deposit your funds, which is you deposit them into your bank account at this way. Then you use P2P to buy your USDT so that you can just convert it into whatever you're going to convert it. So you're going to buy your USDT onto the platform which is called P2P, and then you convert it into that. So you're just going to buy the USDT straight from your bank, and then it becomes USDT, and then you can buy whatever Bitcoin you can buy, whatever coin you actually want to do, whatever you wanted your money to get into there. So using Binance P2P, you can deposit ZAR and receive USDT, which you can then use to trade or invest on Binance. Always trade with verified merchant. This is very important guys, because there are a lot of scammers when actually get there, which they just actually going to see that you the first time buying, because it actually shows how many people you actually been buying from and all of that stuff. So it's actually going to show that maybe you are just starting, so they're actually going to see that you haven't been trading that much. So that means you don't have a lot of experience when it comes to this. So make sure you look for someone who has a yellow mark there, which is actually, as you can see, this here is the profile with a yellow tick next to them to ensure a safe, smooth experience. So you actually go and buy from those guys when you are still new guys, at least so that you can build a little bit of a base, and then you can actually see and then you get the experience of actually being able to do all of that. So step 2, you convert your favorite cryptocurrency. So you just convert that USDT you bought into whatever you want, so that you can. So once you have purchased your USDT from a verified merchant, you can use this USDT balance and Binance Convert to buy hundreds of different currencies such as BTC, ETH, ADA, Doge, and much more. So then how do you actually be able to withdraw? And then step 3, so to withdraw your balance on Binance to your local bank account in ZAR, simply convert your cryptocurrency to USDT and sell the USDT to verified merchant via Binance P2P. So as you actually going to sell it to the guys who actually have that yellow tick next to them, so that you don't get scammed. Those guys are being verified. If you have any complaints, you just complain, and then Binance is actually going to help you guys. So that's it guys for this one. I actually just wanted to show you this so that you can actually be able to still be able to go buy your favorite currencies on to So this is going to be it for me on this one, guys. Make sure you follow Binance and all of their channels so that you can actually see all of this stuff, guys, or you can just watch it on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, because I will always bring you all the best news you can actually be thinking about, guys. So thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Then I will see you on the next one. This is a ciao.